Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Desi and today I'm creating wedding guest makeup. So guys, without delay time, let's begin. So I'm going to start with my skin care. First I'm going to apply vitamin serum from LALKOU, whitening, antioxidant and remove spots. Second, apply vitamin face cream from same company LALKOU to reduce pigmentation, even skin tone, smooth fine lines. Then apply sun lotion from SOLAIT 50 SPF high moisturizing lotion. Advanced UVB protection. Protect your skin from strong sun rays and can hold your makeup long hours. Next, apply vitamin brightening eye makeup. Help to reduce dark circles, help to tightening, reduce eye bags and keeps your eye hydrating. So guys, this is the same company LALKOU I'm using. Then apply Vaseline lip balm ROSY to keep lips plump and smooth. Next, apply primer from NYX, the MARSH MELLOW primer. This primer has about 10 benefits like smooth skin, keep your makeup long lasting, keeps skin hydrated, even tones, minimize texture, blur lines and pores, soft focus finish, keeps makeup finish and suitable for all skin tones. Then apply color correcting from Revolution Ultimate Radiant Peach color. I'm using peach color for slightly black circle eyes on even skin tone. So guys, please use color correcting according to your skin conditions. Then apply Silk Skin Luminous Serum Foundation F12. If you got oily skin, please do not use this foundation. This is quite silky, perfect for dry or combination skin. Next, apply concealer from L'Oreal True Match. This is amazing concealer, guys. Very lightweight and full coverage. After apply the concealer, leave for a few minutes to become taggy. Meantime, apply eyebrow fixing gel to replace and get long-lasting eyebrow. This also need to dry before apply the eyebrow pencil. Then apply cream contour stick from Bare Minerals Deep Natural 15 and apply in the cheekbone, forehead, nose and jawline to give your face definition and structures. Then blend out properly till the smooth and seamless look. Next, blend out concealer till the smooth and evenly applied. Next, I'm doing eyebrow. So eyebrow pencil from MUA, micro define pencil. Then just fill the sparse area. Then clean the eyebrow area. Apply slightly same concealer to look clean and sharp eyebrow. Same concealer apply in the eyelid and blend out properly and let it dry before apply any loose translucent powder. Next, apply for Brighten concealer from JACLYN medium. Then apply loose translucent powder from MUA and set everything where you apply concealer near mouth, around forehead, and also for the long lasting makeup. Next, I'm doing eye makeup, easy and stunning. So guys, eyeshadow I'm using today from LALKOU. I brought this eyeshadow from TikTok shop, very reasonable price. First color I'm using very light blue color and apply in the eye crease and eye bone. Second color I'm applying very dark brown color and apply in the outer corner, inner corner and in the eye crease to create intense and smoky effects. And guys, make sure blend out properly and make sure there is no harsh lines. Third color I'm using light blue shimmer and just apply in the middle of the eyes. Next, apply eye pencil from Revolution and apply in the waterline. Same light blue eyeshadow apply in the lower eyelashes and smoke out. And for the clean and sharp look, apply same concealer very slightly. Next, apply mascara from MUA, long lengthening mascara. Then apply powder bronzer from MUA Sun Kiss Bronze and apply in the where you applied the cream counter and can be locked cream counter and get more sun kiss effects. Next, apply liquid blush from Kim Use 02 LS and apply higher point of the cheekbone. Apply less amount first because this is quite pigmented. You can blend out with your clean finger. Next, apply slightly powder blush from Revolution is called Cheeky and apply in the higher points of the cheekbone. Then apply powder highlighter from Revolution, is called Condition, and apply in the higher point of the high cheekbone, eyebrow bone, corner of the eye, and in the nose. Finally, apply lipstick from Forever Living Aloe Vera Sonia 401. This lipstick they stop making now, guys. You can't buy anymore. Look at, guys, how beautiful. So it is purple color. So guys, this is my final wedding guest makeup look. Got beautiful purple with blue design lehenga, matching heavy jewelry. If you don't want to wear heavy jewelry, you can wear only earrings. I hope you guys love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, comments, and share the video. This means a lot. So once again, thank you so much for watching my video. Please take care, everyone. See you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.